Hello, it's me, Hazy. This video is about how to make a interesting looking profile picture. So yeah, let's get started. Be aware, this video is about how I made it on paint.net. I'm not sure if it works on any of the photo editing software and website, but this is only how I made it on paint.net. So yeah, so first of all, if you don't have paint.net, go to this website. It's in the link in the description. Go to download this tab right here, and then scroll down a little bit, and then it says download right here. So make sure you download the .pdn ones and not the Windows 10, because if you press the Windows 10, you have to pay for it. So yeah, press the .pdn one, and then it's gonna go here, and then whatever. And then I've already downloaded, so I don't really care. And then now, after you've installed paint.net, go to this website, thefont.com, link in the description, and then you might need two fonts. One font is called Quantify and Venator. So Quantify, switch that up, and then there you go, it's right here. If you want to use this font, it's your choice. Quantify, just download it. Venator, switch that up, then do the same process. Go to this website. It says forum or whatever. It's basically a plugin. So what this plugin is, which they can add, they make like extra or like additional effects that paint.net itself doesn't have. Make sure you download this one, the second one. Make sure you close paint.net before you install the zip, and then after you install this, open back paint.net, and then you're good to go. So alright, let's go to paint.net. Alright, we're in paint.net. Make sure you press this one. Press that. And then make sure the width and height is on 800 by 800. So put that in. Press OK. Now we're gonna go to File. And then Open. And then I'm gonna use this background. And then Control C on the background. Control V. And then you're gonna see this. Make sure you press keep canvas size, and then hold shift and drag it down. Try to make sure it's in the middle. Alright, that's the middle, I guess. And press escape to cancel the outline. Then you got the background. This background I'm gonna link it in the description as well. Now got a background. Now go to layers, this layer little menu here. Press this, add new layer. Make sure it's clicked on the layer 2 that you just added. Go to tool, press text on the bottom. This one you can just put anything, but for me I'm gonna put XD as the background. That's the way. Okay, Venator, I'm gonna use Venator as the font for XD. I'm gonna put it 390, and then if it's like dark and you can't see, go to the colors tab right here, press this one right here, swap colors. There you go. If it doesn't work, it's still dark, just press the primary one in the front one and then put it in the middle, which is the white one. And now we're gonna go to tools, go to the magic wand, and then make sure the magic wand cursor, make sure it's in the middle of the letter. There you go, and you can see the outline and light blue inside. Make sure it's not like outside, like in the background or whatever. Alright, make sure it's outlined on the letter you just picked. And then go to tools again, the gradient. Then we're gonna go back to colors and pick whatever color you think that's much preferred to your style. For example, for me, I'm gonna put blue as the primary and pink as the secondary, because we can either have like three gradients. We've got blue, purple, and pink. Alright, go from the top and then hold down, go to the bottom. Now you can see there's like these two circular things. One of the bottom is like for the pink, and then this one is for the blue. Now we're gonna make sure everything is in that one letter. Let's see, we got blue, purple, or in the middle a little bit, and then pink. There you go. Press escape, and if And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other letter, which is mine is the D one. Alright, that's our outline stuff. There you go. So now we've got some gradients on our XD. So now we're gonna go to add new layer on the layers tab. Alright, now I'm gonna go make sure it's clicked on the third layer, the new layer that you added. Go to text again. Make sure the size is smaller before you put the text. So mine's gonna be 115 instead of 400 recently. There you go. Hazy. Alright. The hazy one I'm gonna put red and yellow. There you go. And I'm gonna change the font into quantify. Where is it? There you go. There you go. That's quantify right there. Wait, maybe it's too small. 120. There you go. Press escape so there's no like those line. Now I'm gonna do the same thing as the background text. Go to magic wand. If you wanna do gradients on quantify, it may take time. Okay, for example, the fonts are like sometimes cut out, so you have to do each like lines or whatever. So yeah, so it's gonna take time. I'm gonna fast forward to where I'm done with the gradient. And it's the XD. Go to the top right here. It says effects. Press that. Then go to object. This is these two effects here is from the plugins that we downloaded before. So now I'm gonna go to outline object. Make sure it's clicked on the first text that you added. For example, for mine is the XD one. Make sure it's not on your background layer. So now I'm gonna color it dark. Obviously you can't see that much, but it's fine. So press OK. It's simple as that. Now we're gonna go to effects again and go to trail. Now this trail, you can either want to add it or not. It's up to you. I'm obviously not gonna do it like this. That's too much. I'm just gonna put it 1. Alright. This fade out one, you can just uncheck it so that there's no fades. So now we got some 3D like text on the background. Press OK. It's gonna initializing. Now we're done for the XD or the background text. So now I'm gonna go to the front one, which is mine has a. Do the same thing. Do the same effects. Outline. This one is a bit bigger, I think. There you go. Press OK. Initializing. Outline is in. Trail. Okay. If you use quantify, sometimes the trail doesn't look that good, so I'm gonna put fade out checked, and then just that's how I want it to be. So press OK. Initializing, and there you go. That's the profile picture. It's quite simple if you know how to do it, obviously. Hope this helps. It's quite simple and quite interesting. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Anyway, subscribe if you're new. Leave a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.